Welcome to Access ERP. In this video, we're going to see how to edit your invoice template. Select settings from the title bar. Select invoice template. Here, invoice template page has been displayed. You can select change, and there are sample templates are available. You can choose according to your need. I'm going to select another template as compact and elegant. Here in the header, you can see the font size. You can edit and increase the font size. Also the number format. You can select the QR code. Also the base font. Drop down, you can choose the font names, and you can align according to your needs. Top alignment, left alignment, and both. Bottom alignment. Also the date format can be changed in minutes, hours. In the header, you can able to see the company logo can be expanded. Similarly, the name and the font can be selected according to your needs. There are several fonts are available. Even the font size can be increased. Form name can be changed. There are list of details are available. You can change according to your needs. Also, the font size can be increased for the form names. Also, you can see the address checkbox and phone checkbox, email are selected. In the party also have been ticked, and the supplied address also been ticked. In the DC number, you can see the DC number has been added. You can add according to your prefix and suffix. Also the PO number, PO date, and list of checkboxes are selected over here. You can choose according to your business needs. Include, all the details are included. Next, the item tab. Here you can able to see the item tab. You can increase the font size and the alignment and the serial number. You can see the alignment can be changed according to your needs. Similarly, DC number can be selected, or you can unselect it. Supplier quantity details, all the checkboxes with the alignment details are available over here. You can see, you can choose according to your needs. There are list of items are available. You can see all the details are available. You can choose according to your needs. Scroll down. In the totals table, we can change the size and width of this table by selecting the font size. You can see the font size are changed, and you can increase the font sizes, and you can see the HSN details can be added, or if you don't need, you can untick. In the MISC, you can add the page number, also the notes. It can be edited and add the bank details, IFS code, etc. By editing the, you can add details here. You can add the footer notes also over here. You can able to see the, once it's all saved, you can select save. It has been saved successfully. Thank you.